What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today I want to remind you about the current Humble Bundle that is available right now. What is the Humble Bundle, you may ask? Well, it's a bundle where you can get insane assets for less than a quarter of their price. It's basically a great limited time deal that you can't miss. You can grab more than 67 assets for only $30, but hundreds of other assets are also included in this bundle for only 1 month through Liberty Studios platform Cosmos. So in this video, I'm going to exclusively highlight Liberty Studios assets which are included in the Humble Bundle and Cosmos. And Cosmos comes with a Humble Bundle, so you get me. Liberty is one of the best asset creators out there. We always collab to give you the best deals in the marketplace community for Unreal Engine. So let's jump in and check out what you can get with these insane assets. Alright, so this is one of the assets that I want to showcase, which is included both in the Humble Bundle and also in the Cosmos subscription from Liberty Studios. So this asset is really cool because it is stylized, but it has insane attention to detail. That's why I like it so much. And if you're trying to build like a sort of dungeon, this is the asset that you want to choose. And by the way, I'm running this on a Mac, not at the potential, max quality that this could be at. So imagine if this looked even a bit better and was a bit smoother in terms of frame rates or things like that. But yeah, I mean, this is one of the assets. You can see everything has huge attention to detail, and all of the Liberty's assets always has basically example levels with a huge thing built, which is really cool. So this is one of the things that I wanted to go ahead and showcase. And obviously we can select any asset over here, Command B, and we can see the content browser and how crazy it can get. There's a lot of cool assets, but the thing is that there's just enough variations for you to do infinite combinations, and which is pretty cool. So we got obviously meshes, we got even some blueprint presets, we have some fire effects, things like that. And yeah, just imagine this map with some really cool stuff going on. So I wanted to also open it up because a lot of you guys from other bundles mentioned how would this look with the already opened, or how would I check if it works nicely with Unreal. It's only the trailers which are available. Well, this is running in a Mac, so it's pretty cool, right? Let's move now into the next asset that I want to showcase. And this is another insane asset which is also included both in the Humble Bundle and in the Cosmos library. And again, I want to mention this is not running at all in the highest quality that it could run, nor in the highest performance. Okay, I'm running this in a laptop, remember this. But yeah, this is basically like 100 prism, and this actually is pretty cool. So let me go over here and enter. Look at this, it's pretty dang cool. Let me go over here. We also have this bar, we can go here. And yeah, I mean, from outside it's pretty insane. From outside it actually looks like a movie. You can even create movies, not only games, with these things, honestly. Let me go. I think we can enter here. Okay, no, but it's pretty cool. So if you want to go ahead and check out the asset, it's both in Cosmos and also in the Humble Bundle library. So let me open this up and you can see all the assets. Here it is. We have different meshes for the interior, for the exterior, just in general assets. And we also have some cinematics, which is really cool. We could even check this right now. So that's pretty cool. And we even go ahead and obviously have the example showcase level, which is the one that we are right now inside. And I want to remember you guys once again that yeah, Liberty will always provide you with a sort of showcase level with an actual environment, so you can see how the assets would look with everything combined, or just directly use this for your games and maybe slightly modify it and so on. It's a great starting point and advantage. But yeah, let's see one more asset and show you guys what else you can have. And here's another great asset that I wanted to showcase in this video. You can get these types of assets and many more, which are literally insane. And this kind of ramen one, in this environment, I think it's really cool. You can make types of Assassin's Creed games with this, or even other stuff, you know. So once again, quality is insane. Remind yourselves that I'm running this on a laptop Mac, could run better and look better. And yeah, we have here like a sort of like Coliseum arena, which is quite cool. We have here a sort of interior, but it's empty. And we have here some more stuff. We can go over here, check this stuff up. So we got like markets. We got really cool visual effects. This fire looks really good. As you can see, it's own blueprint, which is pretty nice. And we got this part here, and yeah, many more things. Honestly, we even got trees, which they look pretty good, even to be like background trees. Obviously, this part of the level's empty because it's like secondary, if you know what I mean. But yeah, and once again, you can just select anything, B, and then you can see that we even have pre-built blueprints of whole buildings, which is quite cool. I actually like that. We got cinematics that you can check out. We got obviously the showcase level, which is the one that you're seeing it. Again, it is included quite obviously. We got materials, the actual meshes you can use for anything, and it's super easy because they're literally just building blocks and you just drag it in and join it together, you know. I mean, how good does this look, right? I mean, it's really good. Then the particles, which is the fire that we saw, which is insane, but obviously the fire is also in a blueprint, so it's easier to drag and do things. Honestly, this fire is super good. It's one of the coolest I've seen in a while. And also it's like included in an environment, which usually the ones included in environments are not very good out there in Fab, Marketplace, all that stuff, but this one is pretty good. But yeah, you guys see that you can actually get a lot of cool stuff with the Humble Bundle and Cosmos. And if you're wondering about Cosmos, well, here it is. Look at all of the environments and that you can grab. Now this is included with with the Humble Bundle, but only for 1 month. So obviously, if you want to more of it, you can learn over here in the subscription section. But yeah, it's really amazing, and there's not only Lyrtist Studios assets in here, there's also other studios that they have collabed with that are available. And yeah, like honestly, I could just be scrolling and scrolling, but this is insane, and the quality keeps being insane. I mean, we even have Temples of Cambodia, which is the asset that I used in my latest tutorial for the adventure game. So if you wanted to actually check that out, it's included here. And you can see it's another developer, but they collab with them. Yeah, so you can access all of this stuff, which is really cool. I mean, I keep scrolling and scrolling, which is crazy. Now these are complete environment packs, but there's also individual 3D assets that you can get. There's individual materials, there's individual sounds, there's individual VFX, tools, which are literally blueprints. This is quite crazy. Obviously there's a more limited amount of them, but this library will grow. There's also tutorials, and then there's the Rocket plugin, which if you don't know about it, you can basically just drag assets directly from the editor into the Unreal Engine, and that's it. Like, they will automatically import. It's basically like Quixel Bridge or the Fab window, but you know, cooler for Cosmos, because you have a bigger environment, as I was seeing. So yeah, you can go ahead and check this out. And that's it, guys. I will link it in the description just in case you want to check it out. But yeah, check out all of the Humble Bundle assets, especially the Cosmos library, because it is really insane. So you have 1 month included. And now, yes, with all that said, bye bye.